Imagine a world where overnight the moon simply disappears. No explosion, no warning, just a sudden absence in the sky. Humanity awakens to star-strewn nights, but the familiar lunar beacon is gone. At first, people are bewildered, searching for explanations. Was it an astronomical event, a cosmic accident, or something more mysterious? The immediate effects ripple through culture and emotion. Children ask why the moon is missing from their bedtime stories. Poets and lovers mourn the loss of their celestial muse. But as the days and nights pass, deeper, more tangible consequences begin to emerge, signaling that the moon's absence is more than a symbolic loss. It's a planetary turning point. The moon's gravitational pull is the architect of Earth's tides. Without it, the oceans rebel against centuries of rhythmic order. Coastal communities wake to find the tides drastically diminished, their twice-daily dance now a faint memory. The sun's gravity still tugs at the seas, but its influence is weaker, creating much smaller and irregular tides. Ecosystems that depend on tidal flows, estuaries, salt marshes, and countless marine species face chaos. Fishermen find their catch dwindling, and ancient harbors struggle with stagnant waters. The loss of the moon's stabilizing force begins to erode the delicate balance that has shaped life along every shore. The moon is more than a nighttime companion. It's Earth's gyroscope. Its gravity stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, keeping seasons predictable. With the moon gone, Earth's axis begins to wobble over millennia, a subtle but relentless drift. In the short term, nothing seems amiss. But as centuries pass, the seasons grow erratic. Winters deepen or vanish, summers stretch or shrink. Ice ages could return unpredictably, or the tropics might crawl toward the poles. Civilizations that rely on agricultural cycles feel the strain, and humanity must adapt to a planet whose climate is no longer anchored by its lunar guardian. The moon's gentle glow has shaped human culture for millennia, guiding travelers, inspiring myth, and lighting the way for nocturnal life. Now the night is profoundly darker. Cities respond by ramping up artificial lighting, but rural and wild places plunge into deep shadow. For astronomers, the loss brings an unexpected boon. The stars blaze with unprecedented clarity, and the Milky Way becomes a nightly spectacle. But for animals, the change is perilous. Creatures that relied on moonlight for hunting or mating struggle to adapt. Some thrive in the deeper darkness, while others vanish. Humanity too must reckon with a new relationship to the night, a world both more mysterious and more isolating. The moon's disappearance reverberates through the collective psyche. Ancient myths unravel, calendars lose their rhythm, and festivals like Ramadan, Easter, and Mid-Autumn are thrown into confusion. Artists and storytellers grapple with the loss, creating new legends to explain the vanished moon. Some see it as an omen, others as a challenge to scientific understanding. Humanity's relationship with the cosmos is fundamentally altered. No longer do we gaze up at a familiar face, but at a vast, impersonal sky. Over generations, new cultures arise, shaped by the absence of lunar cycles. And the moon becomes a figure of nostalgia, a symbol of what was lost and what it meant to be earthbound. The scientific community is thrown into overdrive. Telescopes scan the heavens for clues. Where did the moon go? Was it vaporized, stolen by a cosmic event, or spirited away by unknown forces? Space agencies collaborate on unprecedented missions, launching probes to the moon's former orbit and beyond. Meanwhile, engineers and ecologists race to mitigate the moon's absence, experimenting with artificial tides, climate control, and even proposals for constructing a replacement satellite. The crisis spurs a renaissance of innovation and cooperation as humanity faces the ultimate test, adapting to a world forever changed and searching for meaning in the mystery of the missing moon. Centuries pass and Earth is irrevocably changed. The planet's climate grows unpredictable. Some regions flourish under new conditions, while others fade. Humanity adapts, building cities that float on stable seas or harnessing technology to simulate lost lunar rhythms. The moon becomes a legend, its memory woven into art and architecture, domes and towers shaped like crescents, songs that echo its vanished phases. Astronomers search for other worlds with moons, pondering how rare and precious Earth's former companion was. In this new epoch, the story of the moon's disappearance becomes a touchstone, a reminder of the fragility of cosmic balance and the resilience of life in the face of the unimaginable.